Hello. Empty instruction. I'm sorry, I just had my first Frappuccino ever. So I'm really excited right now about this. Okay, so, you're joking, right?
Huh?
You're joking.
Wait, real fast.
I'm sure. I'm trying to film a video and my mom's about to vacuum. One of these things. And, uh-oh. You bend his leg all the way back for no reason. Laughing a little too hard on this one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die! Yay, she's done!